Why is it that? Namaste. Good morning. It's a new day and it's 6:30 a.m. Let's go and ride some bikes and start our morning workout. Turn the bikes right here. Oh my god, the biggest highlight of this ride was the elephant. I was just driving and I saw the biggest elephant I've ever seen in my life. We are now in Sayampunar, which also has a nickname called Monkey Temple. It's a temple which is more than 2,500 years old. Let's go see it. I like to respect people's religions and beliefs and to just understand the point. Why is it that they believe in this or that? In just the same way that I expect people to understand me and accept the way that I am, it's the same thing that I should do to people as well. Hi, monkeys!
One of the main and most beautiful things I noticed about Nepal is the smiles of their people. Then everywhere you go, you find people smiling. Let's ask them about their secret.
My smile is now because one need to go heaven. I don't need to give any person pain. I need to give love. When some people talking, pain. But I don't want to talk, pain. When you talk, like flower. Bye.
Bye.
And now we're off to Pokhara. What am I going to do right now? Cute! I'm excited! Let's go! The fastest, longest, and steepest zip line in the world here in Nepal. Are you ready? I am. Are you ready? Are you scared? Whoa!
3, 2, 1, go!
fun experience ever here in Nepal. It was so cool. I felt like I was just hanging there between the mountains, and it wasn't so fast actually. It was kind of cool. It wasn't fast. Like my heart didn't do the whole dropping feeling thing, you know. And we are gonna take a lake ride here in Pokhara, one of the most beautiful things and relaxing. Get a good book, take your time, and have fun in this ride here in Nepal. Let's go! Assalamu alaikum. We're now in one of the must-do activities here in Pokhara, taking this boat ride here in Piwa Lake, which is one of the must-do things in Pokhara. It's very relaxing. It's by beautiful, amazing scenery and the mountains and greenery and some birds and things. Yeah, it's quite cool, and it costs only 500 rupees for a boat, so not per person for a boat. And if you take it without someone helping you, you can even get it at a cheaper price. So some people from here come to this temple, right? There's a temple here on the lake. Hello, beautiful people. Salam, salam, salam. It's a new day. So we went out of Pokhara and we went to Chitwan to see the safari. Chitwan Safari. And we're staying in this hotel right by the jungle. So from your room you can see some animals. So this is how the room looks from outside. I'm excited. Let's see the view. So some animals can come in the room from here. Sometimes. I know or a deer can come inside the room if I don't lock the balcony. Yeah, mama. Balcony? Look.
Look. Welcome to the elephant safari.
Woo. So we're gonna ride the elephant now and go between the jungles, right? Peace out.
Or I go. Yeah, coming with.
Oh my god, you guys, it's so cool!
There's a big crocodile over here.
Big what? Crocodile?
Yeah.
Why are you saying that? Why?
We call them muggers.
أيوة. فور ويل أصلي هذا أورجانيك فور ويل. Namaste. Where to? Elephant table. Guess how the mahout get on the elephant? Yeah, no need for stairs. That's a natural ladder. Hi. Thank you, elephant, for showing us and blowing in my face. Okay guys, so we've learned Spanish, we've learned French, we've learned a lot of...
No.
I don't know why I got scared. Okay, we've learned a lot of languages, but we haven't learned elephant language. And yes, the Mahouts speak elephant language. Let's learn some words. Hello. So teach us some words that you speak with the elephant.
Baitalra means sit down.
Baitalra.
Means sit down.
Baitalra, sit down.
Yeah.
So he's sitting down now.
Mahil.
Mahil, say Mahil.
Mahil. Mahil.
Mahil, get up. And make sound.
Bol.
Wow. That's amazing. How old was the elephant that we rode in the jungle?
52 years old.
And usually how old is the range of the elephant?
70 or 80. Like human.
Tell us something about the elephant that we don't know.
Good memory power.
How good is it?
If you give the good impression, if you come back after 10 years, 20 years, she will recognize you.
Thank you. That was the most epic elephant ride and safari ride we've ever done in our lives. All of us just agreed on that because you really get to live the real safari and real adventure. So, we're going back to Kathmandu. We were in Chitwan area where we saw the elephants and now going to Kathmandu. So one thing I would advise if someone is traveling, if you have a short time, don't try and pick so many far locations because most of your time will end up being spent on the roads and you won't really indulge and enjoy so much one place. You'd be running. Just from Chitwan to Kathmandu, it took us 6 hours. So I'd recommend either lengthening your stay or do less things in this stay. So now, in our break, we're eating, trying something that I heard a lot about, which is moa. One second. We're gonna go take a local flight, okay? A mountain flight to go over the mountain and be so close to Mount Everest, which is the highest mountain in the world. And we're getting called to fly! And it's been done. It costs $200 plus. And is it worth it? Wait. Sorry, I need to sneeze. I always sneeze. Gosh. I didn't really like it. It's not so worth it because you spent so much time waiting and they kept delaying the plane. Then it might get cancelled. So this might ruin your plan. And then getting there, it's cool. Of course, it's nice to be up in the clouds and see the mountain, but it's not that amazing. I'd rather have you spend your money on the actual trekking itself.
Nepal is one of my favorite countries to visit. Dhanyavad.
Udah datang kita nama bonjang resama pilih.